15. All right. So, Jarrell,
Yes.
right? Okay.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
How do you go from 64 to 16?
Okay. Hold up.
Hey, where are we on time?
You mean what time it is?
Nah, buoy. Like the video, the recording.
I don't know. I can't see the time.
Where's Mr. Bowie, bro?
Hold up. Is it like 13? Something like that?
What?
You said 64 to 16, right?
Yeah, yeah.
I said like 12.
No, bro.
What is it?
64 minus 16. Let me just ask you this. Is
So,
64
so
minus
basically
16?
just minusing it, right? Are you just
Yeah,
minusing
yeah,
it?
yeah. Uh-huh.
Okay.
You want to know a quick way?
No, I got it. Just give me a sec.
Okay. Okay, okay.
I think this is a super hard way to do it for them to see the pattern.
It's like literally the exact same as having it in a chart. They'd still have to do subtraction.
The answer's 48.
Right, good.
Okay.
And so what
You gotta
about
give
16?
me a sec. You just gotta give me a sec. That's all. Yeah.
What about 16 to 4?
That's adding it, right?
Mm-mm.
Oh, my bad. That's subtract.
We're going this way. Yeah, so we're getting smaller, so we're subtracting.
12.
Good. 4 to 1.
3.
We don't really need to do anymore because we're already seeing that this isn't the same, right? So
Mhm.
we're geometric. So now that we're geometric, all we care about is a sub 1, which is 64, and figuring out what r equals so that we can write a sub n equals a sub n minus 1 times r, and a sub n equals a sub 1 times r to the n.
Mhm.
So now to find r, we need, so Jarrell pick an a sub n and pick an a sub n minus 1.
So I can pick any one.
Pretty much.
Like the numbers up top, right?
Uh-huh.
12.
Not these numbers. These numbers. Like,
Oh, okay. Because they both at top. So okay. I pick 4 then.
you pick which one?
4.
Okay. So then what's a sub n minus 1?
You said minus 1?
So if you picked 4 for a sub n,
Um,
what's this one?
oh, man. Oh, let's say that one more time.
Okay. So if you picked 4 for a sub n,
Mm-hmm.
what is a sub n minus 1? In other
Minus
words,
1.
what is the one that came before this?
Three, 2.
No? Okay, so I'm writing in the chart like Mr. Bowie says is better.
Mm-hmm.
So you picked 4. N is 3, a sub n is 4. We need a sub n minus 1. So what's 3 minus 1?
2.
Okay, and so what is a sub 2?
16.
Yes. So you're picking one term, and then you're just picking the term that came before it. Now I'm just going to
That's
plug it in.
Okay.
So I'm going to say, and I'm going to solve for r this way. I'm going to say 4 is equal to 16r. Got to divide by 16. That cancels. I know that 4 goes into 4 one time, and 4 times 4 is 16. So 4 goes into 16 4 times. So I'm left with r is equal to 1/4. And that's all I need to know to solve this problem. So now all I'm doing is plugging in r and a sub 1.
Mhm.
So a sub n is equal to 64 times 1/4 to the n. And then that's for explicit. For recursive, we're going to say a sub n is equal to a sub n minus 1 2 times 4. Really, I'm going to write this way. Make sense?
Most likely.
So we just have one more.
Okay.
Let me know when you're ready for it.
I'm ready.
Okay. So remember, n is the term number. You've got 1, 2,
Is it supposed
3,
to be 4 on 15?
Huh?
Huh?
Can you go back to 15 really quick?
Did we do
Is it
four?
supposed to be 4A? Or is it supposed to be 1/4?
It's supposed to be 1/4. My bad.
Okay, just making sure.
So okay, so term number and a sub n is our term. So our first term is 147. Our second term, 127. Third, 107. Fourth, 87. And fifth, 67. So, Anselmo?
I think he disconnected.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, this is all you, bud. How do I go from 147 to 127?
147 to 127. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
$20
Plus or minus?
minus.
Yep. How do I go from 127 to 107? Bud?
Oh, I'm still here.
Yeah. How do I
Same
go from
thing.
Yeah, same thing, right? Minus 20 all the way down. So that means we are looking at an arithmetic sequence. So we're looking at a sub n is equal to a sub n minus 1 plus d. And a sub n is equal to a sub 0 plus dn. D is our common difference. It is negative 20, like you found, because to go from one term to the next, we're adding or subtracting the same number.
Hmm?
And now we need to pick Oops, my bad. Now we need to figure out a sub 0, which is a sub 1 minus d. Okay,
Mhm.
so what is a sub 1, Jarrell?
Okay.
To make it easier, Drill, what's the first term?
Like to the right?
Yeah, in blue.
Like the
What's the
numbers? Or
first
the
term?
numbers?
Yep. What's the first term?
1.
I know, but what goes with 1?
Oh, 1 to 147.
Yep. So you're gonna do 147 minus D, which is the term that everyone that matches
Yeah.
across the board.
Uh-huh.
So what's 147 plus 20?
167?
Yep.
Yep.
Okay.
So now we know a sub n is equal to a sub n minus 1 plus, plus negative 20, which means a sub n is equal to a sub n minus 1 minus 20. So that's recursive. And then for explicit, a sub n is equal to 167 plus negative 20n. So we're going to write 167 minus 20n. And that is that.
If you got a screenshot of this, Gerald, you should be able to do 11 through 16.
Oh, I screenshotted while y'all was doing it too.
That's cool. And then with the video that I shared, you should be able to do the entire homework.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
Will that work?
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna save this recording too, and then I will send this to you too, just in case you need like voices to walk through everything with you.
Yes, sir.
All right, man. I'll talk to you later, bud.
All right.
Bye.
Have a nice day.